Alright, so.
Yeah.
If you think of it, if you have to be in the basement anyway, maybe you could look at that thing that about the color.
Yeah, the little box.
So on hold.
Right.
Yeah, so there's no high vents on this thing, or is there? There is a high vent on it. It should be self-bleeding. Unless there's no water in the boiler. Alright, let's go look downstairs. So these pipes, were they getting hot or not?
Not at all.
Not at all. Alright. To purge it. So the heat is on, so let's go look downstairs. Got a bunch of circulators down there too. It might be that.
Yeah.
How you doing?
Good.
What'd you decide? We're gonna leave that for now. What'd you decide for the well, the pipes aren't getting hot, so
No.
it might be on a delay, you know, that thing might be on a delay. What'd you decide with the faucets?
Well,
Thing was stuck. The feeder was stuck. That might do it right there. It wasn't feeding any water in the boiler. It was making noise. Second floor Hydroair. Second north. This is the one right here. What do we got it on for speed? The feeder was stuck. It wasn't feeding water.
that's like a pressure gauge? Or
Yeah. What are we on for speed? We're on high speed. Let's give it a minute and see if it works now. Put your hand on this pipe. You'll feel the cold going in there. That means
yeah.
it was every so often. Sometimes this will get stuck and it won't feed.
Uh-huh. And is there any way to know?
No, don't stop playing with it.
Okay.
I already touched it. Yeah, when that thing's not heating. Let's give it a minute. We've got to see if it circulates through now. There's a high vent upstairs, you know, and that should take care of it. Who talked you into this mess? Huh?
Well, this is how we bought the house.
Oh, you bought it like this. Yeah.
Hydroair is, I thought
Well,
it was
these
a good
things
thing.
here is, you know, like the space shuttle, you know? You gotta buy parts for this thing. It's like they bend you over the table, you know? Give you, yo, how you doing? When you gotta buy parts for this thing, huh?
Well, you did manage to change a blower for me.
Yeah, well, that, I mean, that couldn't have been cheap. All right, let's give it a minute, and we'll go upstairs. I might have to purge it, but I think I might have to purge it last time. Well, she's starting to come back warm already. Is that pushing or pulling? That's pushing. So I wonder where our return would be.
I wanted to ask you, what are these things?
Sounds like a flipping. Them are circulators. That's the controls that runs the zones. So right now, zone 2. See, zone 2 is calling. So that's running this one here because we just turned the thermostat up. You know, the problem is you got a reset on this boiler, so it's only going to get so hot. Outside reset on the boilers when it gets a certain temperature. On.
Once in a while, I come down and the thing is flashing, and you have to push the
reset it.
button.
Yeah.
But
Isn't that wonderful? She's quieting it down. Getting quiet as a church mouse.
so it's bleeding. It's
Well, if you can hear it, I mean, it's not making the noise anymore.
Yeah.
I don't know. I figured it'd be going up harder than that. I think I had to purge it last time, didn't I? Where did I purge it from?
I don't know.
I think that this is where it goes up here, the supply, and then the return would be coming back the same way. Well, must have got a bad circulator there. I mean, that's possible. No, they're still cold.
Really?
Yeah, it must be airbound. The water meter's only good for, yeah, I think it's airbound. So the first seems to be okay. This is the second. So we have to leave this open. And we're gonna come in here. We want to go up through the second and then come back, and it's gonna be one of these. It's probably this one here that's a problem, I bet you, because it's not really that warm. Some of the only two that are coming back, right? Yeah. Well, I got more over here, but what do these do? Well.
So the pumps go up and then these.
Alright, so what I gotta do is, just for now, where's the power? Where's the power switches? Let me just shut everything off. I'm just gonna shut this off. I'll shut this off for now. What I want to do is I just want to purge this zone here, this second floor zone. Because first floor is not a problem, right?
Right.
What we're going to do is just for now, we're going to shut this off. Right? We're going to come in here like that. I'm going to shut this one off. Shut this one off. I don't think it's a split loop. We're just going to check these two first and then see if it works. This is supply coming down. That shouldn't affect anything. I'll shut this off. We'll shut this one off. Where can I put my hose? Can I drain it somewhere?
Yeah, right down.
Right there. Okay. I think it's this one, but I'm not sure. I'm thinking that this is the one. We're gonna find out right now if it is or not. We got both of these open. So we're gonna come in here and it's gonna go up through.
Is this any good?
Yeah. We'll see when we open it if we get any air. That's what I did last time, right?
I think so.
I think I'm right first on here, but let's see. So it's going in the pit there, right? Let's see if we get any air. This one's not coming back warm right yet, so let's give it a... It's going up cold now. I think that's the one. Yeah, it says second right there. It says 2 on there. See it? Just gonna give it a good purge. See, I wrote 2 on it.
Oh, good.
That's the one. We're going up, and we're coming back. We're just giving it a good purge. So if there's any air in it, it'll come out. That's what I did last time, I think, right?
Yeah, yeah.
15. Wow. Holy shit, guy. That's what, 8.5 years ago I did
Hey,
that.
that's pretty good with me.
8.5 years? Wow. I think that's pretty good. That's a pretty good score, no?
Yeah.
All right, let's see if that works. What do we got to lose? I'm gonna see. We're gonna turn all these back on. I'll turn this back on. This back on.
You want these back on?
And this one back on. I don't think I shut any of them off, did I?
Yeah, you shut the boiler.
Yeah, the
off.
boiler's off. Yeah, we gotta turn them back on. We got all the valves back open. That one's open. Now it should start sending water up and coming back. It wasn't shooting it up for some reason. It is now.
Good. So is there supposed to be some sort of an air?
There's an air. Yeah, it's getting warmer now. There is an air thing upstairs, but for some reason it's not working. Oh yeah, she's going up now. I can't even touch it. So
Yeah, good.
we'll wait and see if it comes back warm. If it comes back warm. Take a little bit, but she's going up. It's toasty before. It wasn't doing that. So I mean, it might have a little air in it.
Yeah, it sounds like it's gurgling.
Yeah.
It must be air, right?
Yeah. Well, the feeder was stuck when I first came here, so let's see if it works. Give it a minute. It's hot. Definitely hot down here.
Yeah, yeah.
All the pipes. Yeah, alright, she's coming back nice and toast now. Alright, it's gonna be fine now.
Great.
That's what it was, just needed a little purge. 8.5 years ago? Boy,
Was
time
it
goes
really
by
that long?
goes by like crazy, huh?
Yeah.
Was it just me?
This one was last year, new blower or something.
Well, let me get that back together there. Nice little setup with a little drain. It's nice to have that little drain right there.
Yeah.
Quick and easy, right? That's what we want. Too bad they weren't all like that. Too bad your marriage wasn't like that. Easy. Huh? Yeah, ain't that the truth, huh? 23, so that's 8.5 years
Uh-huh.
since I've been here. Wow.
And was it was the same zone?
Yeah. Alright, so we purged the air from the second floor zone. Hydroair. That amazing, huh? The time. Time goes by when you're having fun. This is a nice little stool, huh?
Yeah, that's an old one.
Alright, so I just gotta pick up my tools and we should be fine. We could put our, go upstairs.
Okay.
It should be working.
Is this your little squiggly here?
Yeah, that's for my light. I gotta wrap my light up. Should be nice and toasty up there now.
Washer or a seat, you know, get. But these things, they're only, 15, 16 years old.
Oh yeah. She's toast now, nice and warm. Go feel them.
And is it?
Go feel them. Go put your hands up there.
Yeah. Yeah.
All right.
Nice.
So what's gonna happen is
What's the valve? Oh,
that's a high vent
okay.
to let the air out, but obviously it's not working. It must be on the wrong side. For some reason, it must be on the return or something. I don't know. It's not working. I'll shut it off. It's not working anyway, so. And it could be worse, right? At least we got it working for you.
Yeah, thank you.
And what do you want to set at?
You know, during the day I usually just leave it at 68 or something.
Yeah, 68. I mean, that's fine. It's not that